1 month of England, no money. With the three solo show, Popcorn show them Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Zine, with the three show, the three of them sold out, and a year show. And we do that, and then we do one show of Greece, and then we do a next show of Sweden. And then me fi do 1 month of foreign, and then me fi forward back on my yard without $1. No periodium, nothing. I mean, take care of myself. You see me? Anything I want, I buy it. You see me? He never give me $1. So me can afford on my yard and flap. So I do. I got a machine and still draw some money. That's when I reach a yard, I can have some pound. A couple of my friends them beg me, I go and give them a thing. Because England me forward from. You see me? So, still can't make it thing look too lame. So me for the yard now, I see a week pass, 2-3 weeks pass, and me if just you call me for link up and me if you can link up and do a voice song, can chill when we do 1 month of foreign without $1, brother. From this I start all my own, because I see say, yo, if 3 shows sold out, and we do 2 other shows where after some promoter, what you tell me say? What you tell me say, you don't have no money? So if you do 1 month, I spend my money to come play tracks for you every night, and I like my forward come chill, and me I play tracks them for you every night and everyone I show them. You see me? The only show, me never even play upon a one show with Gorillas. You know, so Gorillas, them have them band. So that was a 6th show, so me didn't even count that tonight. You see me? So, that's one thing, brother. And forward, me not in a dealing with it, brother. So from this, I start all my own, you see me? And with Jaffras now, yeah, him bring, people say, when was this? Maybe about 2 years ago, I tell you now. So, I not going to do 1 month of foreign like a charity work, me do, and I like some promotional show we going to do when I know say you'll never get no money. I don't know if a next man run him, alright, if I not get no money, but me a big man, I not deal with that. So, when you can't go ask him, I not make up no storytelling, you see? 1 month without $1. Him start bring Jaffras on some show. Remember, Jaffras signed to Not Nice Records. Him bring Jaffras on show, him bring Quad on show. Getting them out there. Yeah, we're not going to say no, he never do that. He do that. He never consult me if you bring Jaffras on show. Jaffras have show and Popcorn put him on show overseas, and we have to give back people like money because Popcorn bring Jaffras on show. Alright? One day at England, Popcorn tell me say, yo, he now feel Jaffras energy. You see me? So Jaffras a pussy, and no, he never said Jaffras a pussy. Me not tell no lie on him. He say, yo, Jaffras not real. As Jaffras get one song, Jaffras I go cut. You see me? Say Jaffras I go sell me out. You see me? So I watch Jaffras and you not trust him. Alright then. When I reach a yard, the same Jaffras when him tell me say, yo, if you watch Jaffras, because Jaffras I sell him out. Sell me out. He might give Jaffras contract to sign to Unruly. So Jaffras said, brother, how me fi sign to Unruly, and you know say me done sign to Not Nice Records already. He must say, yo, in a business board that, and me and Jaffras have to work out that, and if Jaffras not signed to Unruly, he not bring him on no more show. You see me? So, I want to tell me who fuck up this. I'm going to say, alright, if my artist not signed. My mind from Unruly Clash done, you know. You know, Quada did there. And Animosity. And I tell him, say, yo, you sign Quada. Because Quada is a better artist. So, here we are going to do. Me I going to sign the artist. Then me I sign Quada. Me I sign Jaffras. I sign Jaffras already, but me willing to give you a share of Jaffras career. And I say to Jaffras, alright with it. And him say, yeah man, alright thing that, and then he told me I go sign Quada. He may not go sign Quada himself. Then I try give Jaffras contract. You see, man, when you tell me, say, you're going to sell me out, you try to give him contract for sign to an you see? What Jaffras don't sign. And that's where the problem start from. So, him a go vex with Jaffras now, through Jaffras never signed to him. And from that, him stop bring Jaffras on show and stop give dog no strength. Alright then. We're not going to beat him, man. He look like, yeah, man, him bring you them on show and him try to help you with them, but none of them man they not talk. Because see him Quada, him say, yeah, Quada loyal and Ray. I mean, he said one Quada come ball to and complain, say, yo, Popcorn help him, a reflex video do from when I'm Popcorn and drop him video. That a oh, Celebration Vice. When Celebration Vice Popcorn gone for him. See him? And Quada come to me, a ball say, yo, forgive me one song. Alright, then everything good, Quada. I saw Celebration Vice. And when Popcorn hear the song, Popcorn say, he can't put out. See him? Because really and truly, Quada sing Celebration by himself. I say, Quada, I don't like the chorus one. The chorus one lift. I suck on me make Da Vinci sing the chorus. See him? So when Popcorn says his song can't put out, Quada can tell me, say, dog, say his song can't put out. I say, Quada, really, you may do this fine. So if you're a boss, I can tell you, say his song can't put out. Me just go love it. I say, yo, please, you need the strength here. I say, everything good. Just I go drop his song, once his song drop, and I like him can take up back his song. And over if you work out, he just work out. So me don't want a man to come talk, say, yo, me this and that and who are praying for money. Who dep on here I go do 1 month of foreign and come back without $1. Uno tell me that. And tell me who a pussy. See? And then you know one can give Jaffras contract for sign to unroll, you know, say Jaffras already signed. It's like when you want, like a man want everything for himself, then like, yeah, you fi sign everybody and still sign you with them and not do nothing for them. Because when I really met, I don't know if Popcorn ever forward and tell none of them how we know Vybz Kartel. See? And me bring Popcorn to Cartel. He never said that. He must say, yo, he me Cartel and my scheme, man. No, brother. Your voice pan girl farm with him from when? A Popcorn first voice pan girl farm with him. I want to edit the story how you want to edit it. And talk where you want to talk. You see me? So if you just come talk the truth and tell the people how you think and stop make it look like, yeah, people are bad mind. A bad mind for what? You know if I'm none of we don't have nothing. You know if I'm none of we don't have nothing, brother. I can't go ask Corey Todd. When I go to Corey and say Corey the artist are bad, I could link Cartel and tell Cartel to sign him. No interest never there, but I may advise him same way. But still now go forward and talk, say this. But when you make it look like, say, yo, people bad mind you. Jaffras Vice, if they know, Zane, pan done well with him. And Popcorn tell him, say, he's a fucker that can't go pan the rhythm. And him bill, he sang pro, hold on.